How to log in CareerCert. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log in CareerCert. Login in CareerCert is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Visit CareerCert website, open your preferred web browser and go to CareerCert website. You can do this by typing CareerCert login into the address bar and press enter. Locate the login button. Once you are on the CareerCert homepage, look for the login button. It's usually located at top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Enter your credential. You will be directed to a login page where you need to enter your username and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password. Click on Login. After entering your username and password, double check to make sure they are correct, then click on the login button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. Once you have successfully logged in, you should be directed to your CareerCert account dashboard. Here you can access your courses, certification, training materials and other relevant information. That's it, you have successfully logged into your account. If you like this video, press the thumbs up and share button. Also hit the subscribe button for more tutorials.